Hi, it's Harvest of the Month and we are featuring avocados. Avocado is one of my favorite fruits and here's why. They're easy to eat and you can eat them raw. Did you know half a cup of sliced avocado is an excellent source of fiber and monounsaturated fat? Monounsaturated fat can help reduce bad cholesterol in your blood, which can lower your risk of heart disease and stroke. Avocados are grown locally. California ranks the first nationally in avocado production, growing more than 90% of the nation's crops. Wow, that's a lot of avocados. More than 75% of California's grown avocado takes place between March and August, so they can be abundantly found in our stores. When you reach for an avocado, you will find avocados that may be very firm, or soft and ripe. Choose the avocado that works for how and when you plan to eat it. My favorite way to eat avocado is by itself or as a guac. I'm going to grab some avocados and tomatoes and give Emma's guac a try. Enjoy!
Hello students, and thank you for joining us for this exciting edition of Harvest of the Month. Today, I am joined by our special guest, Chef Emma Canal, to showcase her award-winning guacamole recipe.
Hi, I'm Emma. I'm in 4th grade. I go to school at Ynez.
Chef Emma has created a delicious and nutritious treat for all of us with just a handful of simple ingredients. Are you ready? Let's get started. After rinsing all of our produce, we then remove one bunch of cilantro from the stems and chop the leaves. Then we dice one white onion. We use only about half of the onion for this recipe. Next, we add 4 Roma tomatoes that are also diced, followed by a finely minced jalapeno. Next comes the star of the show, avocados. I first slice them in half so I can remove the seed. Then I use a spoon to scoop them out. Finally, I rough chop them just to make it a little bit easier for Chef Emma to mash them as she mixes them with all the ingredients. Before she starts, we top all the ingredients with the juice of 2 limes and a nice pinch of salt. Chef Emma then thoroughly mixes the ingredients. Once she feels they are thoroughly mixed, we're finally ready for my favorite part, tasting. Oh my gosh, so delicious. Great work, Chef Emma. You can come and work in my kitchen any day.
This is Emma's guac. I hope you like my recipe.
Hey guys, I'm Harry. Today's specialty crop is avocado. Did you know that avocados are sometimes called the alligator pear? It got that name because the skin of an avocado looks like alligator skin. So question, does anyone know how avocados are grown? Who thinks like a vegetable plant? What about out of a tree? Or do fishermen catch them out in the ocean? Let's go take a look.
Avocados are actually a fruit. They grow out of trees just like apples do. And they grow in pairs too. Did you know that the state of California produces 90% of the avocados grown in America? There are 8 types grown in California, but the Hass avocado is most popular. They need the right elements to grow. They need water, gentle sun, and rich soil. And from the moment they're planted, they can grow with just an avocado seed. Most trees will grow around 150 avocados per year, but there are some, especially as they reach the 5 to 7-year-old age range, that can grow up to 300 avocados a year.
Hey, when you're done with that thing, can you get my football off the roof?
They are a nutrient-packed fruit, one of the only fruits with heart-healthy fats in it. It's naturally low in sugar, and it's healthy for your skin.
So does anyone know what the difference between organic and non-organic produce is? Organic produce is grown without the use of synthetic pesticides or fertilizers. When an avocado is more green like this and really firm and hard, it's unripe. A ripe avocado is a bit darker like this. They feel a little more squishy when you apply gentle pressure. But The best trick for knowing if an avocado is ready to eat is by taking off its stem. If it comes off easy like this and is green inside like so, you can eat it. In addition to eating them by themselves, there is so much more you can do with avocados. One of my favorites, avocado toast. Instead of butter, spread creamy, rich avocado on your toast for breakfast or a snack. Here's another tasty recipe you can do with avocados at home.